Thank you so much for watching my video. In this channel, we talk about spirituality. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the loi BOSSOU in Haitian Vodou. Basically, guys, this is the part 2 video about Vodou. Don't worry if you didn't watch the first one. After watching this video, you can go and watch the first one because I'm just doing a follow-up. So I'm just giving you more information about him so you will still understand this one even if you didn't watch the first one. Okay, but if you want to have more information about BOSSOU, I will recommend you to watch both videos because they are both interesting. And before we go further into the video, I would like to thank all of you guys who always watch my videos, who always like my videos, and who always leave comments. And if you enjoy my content, if you like what I'm doing, please guys share my videos to your WhatsApp group, to your Facebook page, to your friends who you know that will enjoy this kind of content. Okay, BOSSOU is a spirit of a primal male figure, usually manifest in the form of a three-horned bull. People who have this loi as a method are not one to be stepped on by others. They don't allow people to use them as a doormat. These are people that will stand for what they believe in. They have little to no fear. They often feel the urge to be their leader in their social or professional circles. So they have like a dominating personality. This loi is the spirit of the masculine life force, similar to that sacred bull, the biblical Baal. Like Baal, BOSSOU is volatile, manifesting the potential dangers of excess testosterone. He represents raw strength and power. He is the loi of aggressive action. BOSSOU is considered to be among of the lois that are the patrons of less ethical voodoo priests. You know, there are some Bok or Mambo, they don't care about doing good, about doing bad. Like, they care about the money. Okay, any type of work you bring to them, they will do it. If you have the money, they will do it. But the voodoo priests that I know of, they care about that a lot. Okay, there are type of works, if you come to them with them, they will say, no, I'm not gonna be part of this. Honestly, this is the best way to be. Okay, if you want to avoid karma, this is the best way to be. Yes, karma is a pretty much a real thing in voodoo. Okay, we believe in this shit. I am surprised because I don't normally use that word, okay? Maybe BOSSOU is making me a little bit aggressive while I'm making this video. BOSSOU is often called on to control Baka. And you might be asking yourself, what is Baka? Well, I will make a separate video talking about what is Baka in Haitian Vodou, and this is a term that is widely known in Haitian culture in a whole. So I will make it's a very interesting term and it's a very interesting thing in Haitian Vodou. So I will talk about this specifically in a different video. And for this video, in this case, Baka is a spirit, and it's not just any spirit. It's not a spirit you just call on, you know, like this. Okay, it's a very, you call him for like very serious matter, and to control him you need BOSSOU for that. Okay, you, and not just anyone can call on him. I will give more information about Baka in a different video because there's so much that I can say about him. Although BOSSOU is very aggressive, very violent, he can be a spirit of an incredible generosity. He is called on by men and women for enhanced personal fertility. He is called on by men for increased potency and to remedy erectile dysfunction. And he can also bestow psychic ability. And he guards his followers at night, especially when they are traveling. You know, in Haiti, there are some places you go, you should not walk at night. Unless you have like an emergency. Like if you have an emergency, you have someone in hospital or someone have an accident, you can go out, okay? As if the spirits, they kind of know, like you have an emergency, that's why you're out there. But if you have no emergency, you have no business to be out there. This is a common knowledge in Haiti, okay? Like if you go to places like in the countrysides, it's mainly in the countrysides, not in the downtown. If you go to some places, most places, you don't go out at night, okay? If you don't have an emergency, okay? Because you may encounter things that you would not want to meet. Because you might encounter some creatures mainly after midnight, okay? And when you meet with them, you should not talk about it. Okay, I think I made a video about this on my channel. If I didn't, I will make another video about it and I will go deeper. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to BOSSOU. Now, BOSSOU's story. Some people say he was a living man on earth. There are some laws that they used to have like a normal life like us, and then they died and then they became loi. So some say it's like BOSSOU, okay? He was a living king on earth. So they say he's the spirit of the deceased Daomean king Tegbesu. Now this is mainly said about BOSSOU Ashade. I told you in the previous videos, there are many BOSSOUs out there. It's a family of BOSSOUs, and I even named some of the names for you guys. And this Daomean kingdom was in the actual Benin that we know of now. And other sources say he may descend from an ancient bull who used to guard the king of Dahomey, the same kingdom again. BOSSOU is even present in pagan Gaho society, which we now know as being France, or with more English accent, France. So they know him as being the triple-horned bull spirits. He is identified with power, virility, fertility, victory, invincibility, and good luck. Images of the Gaulish three-horned bull are found in healing shrines and graves. And I'm pretty sure BOSSOU is also present in other societies in other places. But this is for another video. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and please do not forget to share the videos to your WhatsApp group, to your Facebook page, and please yeah, take good care of yourself and see you in another video.